Hi everybody, my mom's flight got canceled, so I'm just gonna look at stuff in a microscope. This is my grandfather's microscope. It's one of them old-timey ones. Hold on a second. The light has to come from the bottom. There's a mirror down there. You see? And so, right on there now, I have two of my hairs. And there's my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Let's see if we can get a glimpse. There it is. There's my hair. Wow, how lovely. Anyway, here I have my dog's Edelweiss's hair. Say hello, Edelweiss. How energetic. There's my dog's hair. And it doesn't look really any different from my hair.
Well, because it has hair without fur.
There it is. Wow. Can't see very well. I'm surprised that it's so dark since my dog is white. We are going to look at her hair. Come here, little one. Need some of your hair. What are you doing? She's not even anywhere near you. Stop it. Edelweiss. Come on. Come on. Come on, you little Cheeto. Come here. Yeah, no, that's the opposite of what I want. We're gonna look at your hair now, okay? You can get a good look at it. Ah, there it is. There are her hairs. Wow, look at that.
Would you like a milkshake?
Yeah. Where'd it go? All I did was change lenses. Oh, there. That's why. Okay, so I found the hairs. This is the lens that's 4 times as big. There it is. There's Toaster's hairs. Wow, look at that.
Oh, I guess the camera's tiny enough that you just look through a microscope?
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty small to begin with. What are y'all doing? Did you give her the ice cream lid?
Yes.
That's $1 to the Tubby Puppy Jar, Dad.
Okay. I don't think there's that many calories in that.
It's the principle of it, Dad.
Okay.
Okay. So I have extracted a blackhead. There it is. And I am going to put it under the microscope to see what's there. Ooh, milkshake. Do you think we'd see anything if we put the milkshake under the microscope?
I don't know.
And we got the second glass on top. It is smushed a little, but it's there. Let's see if we can find it.
I think the blackhead is just the oil.
Yeah, just oil.
I don't know.
Well, it looks kind of just like oil. There it is. That's pretty much what it looks like. It's just a goop. It's kind of gross. Kind of looks like butter. Kind of expected more from a blackhead.
Probably it's like rancid jojoba oil.
Let's put the milkshake under. Okay. I've put a dollop of milkshake on the glass. There's the milkshake. Doesn't really look like much.
It's not safe to assume something's going to look like something when you put it under the microscope.
Yeah, I mean, it is just a milkshake.